I'm going to show the cleaning power of four substances: uh, vinegar, bleach, green bleach, and baking soda. As you can see on the sink, which is stained with the yellow scum. First, I want to segment off the sink into 4 sections. Okay, here's the green bleach section, the bleach section, the vinegar section, and the baking soda section. And there's also some spots for the bleach and the green bleach here, and the vinegar here, and the baking soda here. And let's just spray them. The purpose of this demonstration is to show the chemical cleaning power of these substances, so not to show mechanical power, except for the baking soda, which by nature cleans mechanically through abrasion. So there's not gonna be minimal scrubbing. Mostly it's just should be just wiping with a little pressure. That's this is the bleach. Of course, I have no doubt bleach is the most effective because it's the most potent, but if others can clean just as well, it might as the others which are much more easier to take in, tolerate, much less toxic, give out less fumes, would be better to use. So that's the baking soda. Here's the vinegar section. I don't recall this spot. These spray bottles can be learned how to be made on my channel, was the Best Life Hack channel. Okay, now that's done, just get paper towel and gonna give each section a wipe with new clean paper towel and see what dirt comes off of it. Slight pressure, not too much pressure. Again, we want to see the chemical cleaning power, not the mechanical power of your hands. Okay, that's seems to got a bit the green bleach. Now for the bleach, there's still some little staining there. The bleach, and yeah, did a much more excellent job than the green bleach, that's for sure. Looks shiny with the bleach. And no doubt that bleach, regular bleach, is the most effective cleaner, but it's also very harsh on the senses, so I suggest avoiding it as much as possible. Now this part, the vinegar, Yeah, hardly any effect with the vinegar. There's some dirt on there, so maybe I was wrong. Did get off a bit of dirt, not what I was expecting, but yeah, did a good job. From what I can tell, better than the green bleach so far. Now let's get this little part stuck on paint from a Kleenex box. It's did an okay job with that too. And now the baking soda. It's lots of people's favorite. This one is mechanical by nature. Let's get this baking soda off. Up there, you can see the baking soda is colored yellow, indicating dirt has been removed. Got to grip some baking soda on this spot. Of course, you should, for baking soda to be effective, it should be slightly moist. Doesn't do much dry, but when it's mixed with just a little bit of water, that's pretty good. And yeah, that's cleaned completely, that part. So the loser here, let's get this, the green bleach here. Okay, that stain is gone. This from the bleach completely wiped away, obliterated the little stain. From yeah, what I can tell, the loser here is the green bleach, and the second best it would be, think I'm gonna have to go with the vinegar. I was expecting the bleach, but inspecting it closely, I can see the vinegar did a better job than the bleach, regular bleach. And the third best would be the baking soda, and we got the least best. I mean, yeah, and that's it. But I expect the baking soda to better than a vinegar if it was a bit moist. It's worth giving a try. I just wanna make sure with the green bleach that it can be cleaned further on in the so it can be further assisted if another one of these is used. Let's try the vinegar. Hopefully not a serious chemical reaction is going to happen here. Spray this. Can find these spray bottles, how to do them, on my Was the Best Life Hack channel. Just to make sure that there's still more to be cleaned in this section. Definitely turning much clearer after I put the vinegar there. Yeah, disappointing result with the clean green bleach there. Well, I thought it was given a fair chance. Let's try that again. As many turns can be used on this sink to clean it. The scum is pretty thick. Let's give the green cheese bleach a chance to correct itself. Yeah, not much, didn't do much, unfortunately. Yeah, that's the result here. So thanks for watching.